Step by step, how to do wall angels. 1. Stand with your back against a wall, feet about 6 to 12 inches away. Keep your lower back gently pressed toward the wall. A small natural curve is fine, but don't let it arch off. Head, shoulders, and glutes should all touch the wall. 2. Arm position. Raise your arms to a goalpost position, elbows bent at 90 degrees, upper arms parallel to the floor. The backs of your hands, wrists, and elbows should lightly touch the wall if possible. 2. The angel motion. Slowly slide your arms upward along the wall, as if making a snow angel. Go as high as you can without your back arching or your hands, elbows losing contact with the wall. Pause briefly at the top. 4. Return. Slowly lower your arms back down to the starting goalpost position. Keep everything controlled. Reps and sets. 8 to 12 reps, 2 to 3 sets. Perform slowly for best effect. Thanks for watching.